When you start to reconnect with Lemuria in the lifetimes that you've lived there, you begin tapping into a valuable and vital part of who you truly are. And here's why it's important. Lemuria existed at a much higher frequency than our current third dimensional existence. It was a fifth dimensional or 5D reality. Our physical bodies were much less dense. They were more like light bodies. We lived in a society based on love. We communicated telepathically from our hearts. We were intimately aware of our oneness with everyone and everything in the universe. And from our current point of view, that reality looks like heaven on earth, like a Garden of Eden. Deep in your cellular consciousness, you know what it's like to live in that kind of reality. So when you start reconnecting with that part of you, you start tapping into wisdom and life experience and skills that you gained in that highly evolved, high vibrating time and place. You start to awaken to more of who you truly are. All of your past lives in Lemuria have been intimately woven into your soul's experience. And here in this human lifetime, there's no reason why you can't tap into all of that wisdom, all of that experience, all of that know how. You are much wiser, more capable than you've probably allowed yourself to be in this lifetime. By reconnecting with your Lemurian past, you can awaken more of that awareness, more of those skills, whether it's psychic abilities or healing abilities, or clarity about how to work in harmony with others, or how to co-create with the universe. All of that is available to you. You can start that process of reconnecting simply by making the decision to do so. Set your intention to explore and discover that hidden part of you. Tell the universe, I'd like to awaken this part of me. I am ready to remember whatever gifts and wisdom I gained in Lemuria. Once you've set your intention, you set things into motion. Your higher self responds. It starts to line up synchronicities and opportunities for you, and naturally, one step leads to the other. And this will eventually lead you to a truth that you knew in other lifetimes in Lemuria. You knew that your heart would always show you the way, that your heart always knew what was true for you. And so, if you're curious about your Lemurian connection, follow your heart. Make the choice to explore your Lemurian past and rediscover all the gifts you brought with you into this lifetime.